Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki Educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results of the quiz contest which was conducted on 9th of November 2020 on this platform. So this weekly quiz will definitely help all the aspirants who are preparing for the environmental science examination and will also give you knowledge for environmental science related news. So let's see what are the rule book. So those who are new, you can check the rules for the quiz contest by pausing the video, and if you want to participate, make sure you have subscribed to the channel because whenever I am uploading the video you will get the notification as soon as I upload. So before revealing the results, let's discuss the questions first. The first question was, in an ideal solution, how the solute and solvent obey? So here the correct option will be option number A, that means solute obeys the Henry's law and solvent obeys the Raoult's law. But in the option B it was written doesn't obey, that's why that option will not be correct. Let's move on to the second question. The second question was to identify the correct statements regarding the ecological succession. So here the correct option will be option number D. None of the statements are correct because autogenic succession takes place due to biotic components and allogenic succession takes place due to abiotic components. So both the statements were given wrong. Let's move to the next question. The third question was, in nitrogen fixing actinomycetes associated with the higher plants is what? And here the correct option will be option number B. Frankia are the actinomycetes who are helpful for the nitrogen fixation which are found in the higher plants. Let's move to the fourth question. The fourth question was related to the statistics in which we had to find the correct statements regarding the skewness. And here the correct option will be option number B because the Bowley's coefficient of skewness always lies between the limits of -1 to +1, but Karl Pearson's coefficient of skewness doesn't lies between -1 and 1. Time for the next question. The fifth question was very fundamental and it was asking which statement is true about the London smog. And here the only statement which is true about London smog is number B, that is it causes breathing problem in the bronchitis. So option A, that is it is known as photochemical smog, is related to the Los Angeles smog, and Los Angeles smog is also the misnomer of smog. So note down these important points. Let's move to the next question. The sixth question was, the chemical which is used in the fermenter with molasses as substrate is known as what? So this is related to the fermentation technique, and here the correct option will be option number A. Diammonium phosphate is used in fermenter with molasses as substrate. Let's move to the seventh question. The seventh question was related to the atmospheric condition in which it was asking when the ELR, that is environmental lapse rate, is in between the saturated adiabatic lapse rate and dry adiabatic lapse rate. The correct option will be option number B. The situation in atmosphere will be conditionally unstable. Let's move on to the eighth question. The eighth question was, which of the following statements is true about lithophile? So the correct option will be option number A. Lithophile are the elements which occur mainly in oxygen compounds. Time for the ninth question. The ninth question was to find the correct full form of DEP, which is known to manifest asthma-like features. And here the correct option will be option number B. Diesel exhaust particle is the full form of DEP, and here you should note down that pronunciation of ASTHMA is not asthma, it's asthma. So time for the 10th question. The final question for the quiz contest was, which of the following are not the noise indices for a noise signal? And here the correct option will be option number D. None of these, because all are the noise indices, that is L10, L50, L1 and L90. So now it's time to reveal the results, and the winner is Biswa. So congratulations to Biswa for securing 8 out of 10 marks, and along with Biswa, Nisar Ahmed, Waleed Ahmed, Anwar Bande have also secured 8 out of 10 marks. But as per the rule, Biswa has commented first, so he is the winner of this quiz contest. And other participants were Falguni Mahanti scoring 7 out of 10, Nuzhat Khan also secured 7 out of 10, Diksha Pandey 5 out of 10, and Priyanka Soren also 5 out of 10. So congratulations to all the participants, and I am proud of you because you are very consistent and you are regularly participating in the quiz, and surely improving your knowledge. So keep up the good work and believe in yourself. See you guys in our next video.